The knowledge which is changeless, eternal and self-effulgent has an existence in the self entirely independent of everything else. If the self-effulgent knowledge in the self were transitory, it would have a distance by the intervention of memory etc. The self would have no independent existence if this knowledge were produced before it was in it. Self is none to exist for itself and non-self for another. It is therefore established that self is of the nature of eternal and self-effulgent knowledge. Adi Shankara says, अवगत आत्मनि कूटस्थ नित्य आत्मज्योति अन्यथा अनपेक्षैव सिद्धा चैतन्य आत्मज्योतिष स्व आत्मनि अनित्यत्वे स्मृत्यादि व्यवधानात् स्व अंतरत्वम् आत्मा अनात्मनो स्वार्थत्व परार्थत्व सिद्धि तस्मात् आत्मना अन्य निरपेक्षदेव नित्य चैतन्य ज्योतिष्ठम सिद्धिम.